Yo, what's up guys, it's Technology back here, and today in this video we'll see how can you start with Java programming on your VS Code. So here I have a really simple Java program written up that prints hello Java, and if I try to run it, it throws an error saying Java C is not an internal or external command. So this is happening because your code needs to be compiled at first, and the compiler required for it, Java C or Java compiler, is not present on your machine. So last time we installed the C compiler MinGW for running C programs, but for Java we cannot just install the compiler alone. We have to install the entire Java development kit, popularly known as the JDK. So we'll install the entire JDK today. JDK comprises of the Java compiler, the Java runtime environment, the Java virtual machine, and a lot more. So for this, just go to your browser and search for JDK. You'll be taken to an Oracle website. There, scroll down and you'll find the variants. For Windows, switch to the Windows tab and download the 64-bit installer. Once the setup is downloaded, simply open it up. And then simply go through the installation procedure. Just let everything be on defaults and let it install the JDK. And there you can see Java development kit successfully installed. So hit close and now you are good to go. Now for confirmation, head up to your Windows terminal and then in there type for Java C space -- version. And now you get an output saying Java C version 23.0.1. This is just the version for Java C. Similarly, you can check the version for the JDK as well. And with this, you get the Java runtime environment version. And yes, that's all you have to do for installing Java development kit on your machine. Few people asked me on my previous video to set up the environment variables. You don't have to do anything. Everything gets done automatically. Now you just need to restart your VS Code in order for it to run with the newly installed JDK. So now I'll run the same code and there we have the output. So yes, that's all about the installation. If you are not having this button, you just need to go to extensions and install the code runner plugin. This will get you this run button. Otherwise, you can run it from the terminal. I'll delete this class file and then we'll start from the basics. So firstly, we need to compile. So we go Java C and then the file name. And with that, the class file is generated. So now we just need to open up the class file. So for that, we do Java and then the class file name. And there the output is present. So yes, that's all for this video. If you are facing any issues, comment down, I'll help you out. And if you're new to the channel, don't forget to subscribe as we keep coming up with such videos every week. Thanks for watching.